Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door hinge screw on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's missing, broken, or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our washer door here. And you'll see right down here, we've got a screw holding in this part of the door catch, but none on the top, which could be problematic if this screw were to give way and the door catch wouldn't be secured by anything here. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So we'll put the screw in, and we're going to be using a VT20 bit. And once that screw is nice and secure, just give that a little wiggle, make sure it's nice and tight there. Then you can close up your washer door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.